Finding the courage to change something good. I grew up in the South, but my parents were from the North. We occasionally attended church. I loved dressing up, seeing my parents dress up, and going downtown to the beautiful church. I could feel a connection to something greater than myself. When I was around 10, we moved from the city to the country. I was quickly informed by some of my new classmates that I would burn in hell forever if I didn't attend their church. It was, they told me, the only right one. I immediately refused to attend any church at all. I knew in my heart that the God I knew would never be so terrible. My mother was beside herself, but resourceful. After a few weeks, she announced that I didn't have to attend church, but that we would have to watch church on TV. After some experimentation, our family settled on the Oral Roberts program that was broadcast at that time. It was my first exposure to positive affirmations. Something good is going to happen to you today, Oral Roberts would exclaim powerfully. He repeated that idea over and over, show after show. I came to believe it. I knew that it was true. Good things did happen to me, and bad things were often hidden opportunities to discover more good things. I could feel the unconditional love, support, and acceptance of God as I understood God. I woke up this morning with a smile on my face. I was hearing Oral Roberts whispering in my ear as I woke up. Something good is going to happen to you today. I couldn't wait to get out of bed and find out what it might be.